Hello! So in this video we're going to have a look at how to make our own ice cream without using an ice cream maker. Now you'll need some cream, some sugar and vanilla extract just to make it taste a bit sweeter. You don't have to use those, but it just makes it taste a bit nicer. Some salt and plenty of ice. You'll also need two bags, so two sealable bags, a smaller one and a larger one. I'm using a small sandwich bag and a slightly bigger one, as well as some measuring spoons. Now this whole thing will take about 10 to 15 minutes to complete. So to start off, I'm going to pour my cream into my smaller bag. So I've now poured my cream into my smaller bag. I'm now going to add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to make sure I add this accurately. That's 1, and there's 2, just for that sweeter taste. I'm now going to add my vanilla extract. Now I only want about half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can see it there, it says half a teaspoon. Let's just move it around so we can see it. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's because it's quite strong. We don't want it to be overpowering. I'm going to add that in. Doesn't look like a lot, but don't be tempted to add too much. Once that's done, we're going to seal the bag and mix it up. Now you might be looking at this and thinking, okay, it looks the same colour as ice cream. It's a bit sort of vanilla ice cream. It's a bit sort of white. We can see a bit of the sugar there's not completely dissolved. I can mix that round a little bit more. But Mr. Lewis, how does this end up becoming ice cream? So my bag's not properly sealed there. I'm just going to make sure that's definitely sealed. How does this end up becoming ice cream? And the trick is we're going to use ice and we're going to add some salt to the ice as well. So I've now taken a larger bag and I've filled it with ice cubes. I'm now going to add 100 grams of salt. I might have to pause the video while doing this, as I can't do it one-handed very well. Let's see if we can do it. There we go. I've added 100 grams of salt to the bag. Most of it has gone in. I might just add a little bit more in there because I lost some on the side. So I've added my salt in. I'm now going to add in what will be my ice cream mixture. And I'm going to give it a shake for about 10 minutes until my ice cream has turned hard. You might want to wrap this in a tea towel because it will get very, very cold while you're doing it. So I've now been shaking this for about 10 minutes. I've opened it up. My ice cream has gone hard. I'm going to take it up and serve it up into a bowl. I'm now going to add my favourite toppings. I'm going to add some hundreds and thousands. Get lots of them in there. And I can then enjoy my ice cream. Homemade ice cream. Nothing better. If you want to know more about how we've made this, do ask your science teachers about the science behind it, or do come and find me if you want to know more. If you do have a go at making your own ice cream, I would love to see your results and hear how it tastes. Either comment on the video or send me an email or message us on our Instagram account. Thank you very much. Have a great day. I look forward to seeing your ice creams. Take care. Bye-bye.